Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm working in collaboration again with Linjer Jewelry. If you remember a few months ago, they sent me a few pieces to review and I had a whole first impressions unboxing video. I'll link it here if you haven't seen that. But now I'm working with them a second time and I'm so excited. I'm so grateful because not only am I trying to build a community on social media, I'm also trying to establish relationships with brands, and I'm new to the scene, so it's gonna take some time, but I'm really excited to be here with you all and with Linjer. With that said, I want to review the products that I received last time and just kind of give you an update of that jewelry and then dive into the new pieces that they just recently sent me. I hope that you guys will enjoy, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, before we do that, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. I have reached over 1,000 subscribers now, which is just crazy. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that decided to tune in to this little tiny part of the internet that I call my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with my tennis bracelet. So this one I've literally worn since I received it. I haven't taken it off, and it makes for like a great little stacked bracelet. I'm really excited to continue to build on that, but otherwise I love this little bracelet. I don't have any complaints about it whatsoever. My twist ring, so this one is also like doing pretty good. I do think that it got like warped a little bit, but that's totally my fault because I don't take my rings off at the gym, and so when I'm lifting weights they get distorted a little bit. A trick that I found to fix that is if you have like one of those ring sizers, you know, those little sticks, and you can buy them on Amazon, they're like super cheap, then just put your ring into that and then it reshapes it into that perfect circle. So just a little tip FYI. And then I still have obviously the little case, and this was so good for traveling. I did take it on vacation with me and it was so perfect to just like fit all of my essential jewelry. And then in here I do also keep my little pearl earrings that they sent last time. I feel like they're perfect for like special occasions or like fancy dinners. I haven't had too many events lately. I haven't really been able to fully experience these out and about, but I think they're so lovely. But yeah, those are all the pieces. Okay, now moving on to the new pieces that I received recently. So of course they come in this like really pretty pink dust bag, and again they send their little note from the founders. The fact that they send one of these to every single customer is just like so sweet in my opinion. Let's get into the pieces. Okay, so the first piece I picked up, I just feel like it really would add to my ring collection. It's this really pretty dome ring. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. It's stunning. And what I loved about this piece is that while it's a dome, it isn't like overly huge, you know what I mean? Sometimes when you have a dome ring, it could be really big and it's like too much. My personal preference is like small dainty pieces that I can stack and mix and match and wear them that way. I mean, don't get me wrong, I think like one statement ring for a special occasion is really nice too, but like every day I just want to like stick to the same staples and like mix and match them, and like I want them to be able to go well together. I'm really excited to wear this ring, and honestly I think it's gorgeous. It's stunning. It stands out on its own, but it's not like overly powering like the rest of your jewelry, so I love that. Okay, and then moving on to the next piece. So this, oh, and I did want to say, like, while I chose these pieces, I did want to try to be a little bit more adventurous. I typically gravitate more towards gold jewelry. I'm just like a gold girly, but I have seen silver. Silver's having its moment. I feel like maybe, possibly, I could be a silver girly. I don't know. But I did pick up this little beaded ring, and I think it's so pretty. It's just very minimal, very simple, but yet beautiful, you know what I mean? I feel like this is a great entry into the silver jewelry realm, I think. So I picked this one up and honestly I love it. Like, it fits perfectly there, my index finger, and just say I wanted to be a silver girly, like, I don't think it's bad. I feel like I don't have a lot of silver jewelry, but I'm really excited to like venture into this space. And then the last piece, which I feel like I'm most excited about for some reason, or pieces I should say, they are these cute little silver chunky hoops, which I am obsessed with. And they're so small and dainty, and again, gold girly, but like, can we switch them out for silver? Can I be this girl? Let's see. Oh my god, they're so cute. Like, they're so small and I'm obsessed. Okay. What do you guys think? I think I'm into it. I love them. Hold on. This is crazy. Obviously now I'm gonna have to switch out all my gold earrings. Although mixing and matching I've seen kind of as well. So it just gives a different vibe, you know what I mean? That's the best part I think about jewelry, is like you can really accessorize and change a look instantly with silver earrings versus gold, or you know, it depends on like what your vibe is and what you're going for and what you're doing and that sort of thing. I think I'm gonna keep them on. I don't even care that like I'm wearing gold. Today is a mix and match kind of day and I'm here for it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and if you're interested in these pieces or any pieces really that Linjer creates, then go ahead and check out the link in my description box, and don't forget to use my discount code for a special offer. It's just Yvette, Ivette. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time. Bye!